Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to enable certification in Google Forms. First of all, you should enable the Certify'em add-on in your Google form. For that, open the browser in your computer. Type certify'em.com. Then click on the three horizontal bars and click on try it now. Here you can click on visit the G Suite market page for Certify'em. Click on the link. Since I have already installed the Certify'em, it is shown here that you install. Now I'm going to change my account. Here it is showing that if you want to install or not. Click on install, then click on continue. Now the certification is enabled for us. Then now let us continue with one of the Google form that I have started. Let it be registration form. And here it is, the registration form. Now I am going to enable the add-on to this. Then click on the three dots. Here when you scroll upwards, you can see add-ons. Under the add collaborates tab, click on add-ons, then click on Certify'em, then click on show Certify'em controls. Now here we have the options to enable the certificate. To enable the certification, we need some more processes. This will be uploaded in my next video. For those who want to see the next process and want to enable the certification in their Google form, can watch my next video. So all of you, please subscribe my channel. Hope you will like, share and support me. Thank you all. Don't forget to subscribe.